All right, today we're going to bring the XbotGo gimbal, and this one comes with a little remote control that you could remote into the system manually. Just do it from the distance. You could just remote. And also, they give you the actual system itself with a little tripod, and you can remote from the actual system instead of the control. And to enable this, you still have to balance your phone right in the center. Just follow the instructions step by step, and you'll be able to install this.
All right. As a content creator, I normally work alone on these places, but I like to take my Xbox to go on features. Like, for example, I do some sports activities or maybe DIY projects. I don't have another cameraman. That's why I got this. This is one of the most exciting things I ever got, to be honest with you, and I've been testing it out. And not only that, I have an opportunity to actually come to the booth, meet the team behind the actual hardware. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Right? All right, on this test we did soccer, and tracking it was pretty good. We had to raise it a little high so you guys can see a little bit better. Now the system itself, like I said, you could add jerseys, you could track people, you could teams, colors. This is great. Right now we're just tracking the ball, and movement of the actual system was pretty good. We hit record. The functions of the app are very intuitive. It's very simple to actually use. You are going to require to record from the app, and if you want to be able to remote to also, you need the app. So it's a mandatory thing to have the app, and the gimbal will not work without the app. So they make it for Droid and Apple. So who is this gimbal made for? Well, let me explain to who. It's pretty much everyone. So this gimbal creates your regular phone into actually a tracking phone. So if your kids are into sports, or maybe you go to events that they don't allow anybody to stand real close, well, it's okay. You can have this remote with the control by yourself, or if it's a sport or somebody moving, you want to track a number, a jersey. It's something that AI tracking tracks pretty much the movements. And if you can see here on the test that we had one individual just skate. And this is something that you want to set up maybe higher if it's a soccer game or a football game, over people's heads. Make sure that nobody's going to interfere with the tracking, because the AI system identifies the person that you want to track. But if, like I said, if they added this feature where it tracks jersey numbers, that's something that is very unique. Nobody's really doing it yet, and they're the first companies to actually track. And it's made for sports coaches, athletics, pretty much anybody you want. In this system, I had a tripod that's can stretch really tall. So we did testing on skates, we tested on Disneyland, we tested on soccer, and we tested on football, and didn't fail at all. It was a great product, great to carry around and to take with you anywhere.